Dry earth stretching under the sun, roots whisper stories of seasons undone, waiting for rain in cracked open veins, a silent promise the soil sustains. I stand alone on this barren ground. Each brittle leaf holds its breath without sound. Wind carries memories of greener days, yet deep in my stem a heartbeat stays. Through scorching hours and endless drought, I hold my ground, I won't bow out. With every dawn that lights the skies, I gather strength from hope that lies. I'm born of the drought, but I'm not afraid. My roots run deep where the shadows fade. In the dry season I learn to grow. I find my way